Hey, what's up you guys? It's Stephanie and today I'm back to react to Pentagon Naughty Boy MV. Already by the name, I can tell I'm gonna like it a lot. So I'm super excited about this. I love Pentagon. I'm so sad that this MV does not have Edon or Yanin in it. It's so unfortunate, but I just have a lot of feelings. I'm sorry. But I wish they were in this, and I'm going to cheer for them as if they were, because they are always with Universe. Like, 100%. If you don't, like, support one out of any of the 10 members, then you are in the wrong. But that's a whole nother subject I can make a whole nother video on. But yeah, let's just jump into this. He's so beautiful. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, Grease Lightning. Oh my god, they're so freaking cute. This is like a different version of Shine. Mom. Y'all got frog children? Stop, they're so cute! I'm like the balloons in the background, to be honest. They're so cute! Jinho fucking it up though. Oh. Oh. I'm jealous. I want chicken. Oh, a little avocado. Why are they the cutest human beings I've ever seen in my life? What are they? They're so cute! Oh my god! Stop, stop, stop! This is too much! Can we talk about Yuto's visuals for a minute? Oh my god, that Broadway moves. They could make it on Broadway. Is that like that's a clown car going on right there. That's a clown car. They're so cute. Soft after that. Are Pentagon the cutest people in the fucking world, or is it just me? Like, how... That just made me so happy. It's not even funny. Oh my god, why? I miss Idon and Yanan even more. Could you imagine if we got like Idon and Yanan in this adorable ass MV? Like, we would have all lost our ooh faces. Like, is that even a thing? Am I too old for this kind of like stuff? Like saying stuff? Oh. Ignore me, but anyways, they're so cute. Little babies. Okay. Yeah, so if you liked my reaction, please like and subscribe wherever that button may be. Make sure to drop a comment down below and tell me what your thoughts were on the MV and other things like that. If you want me to make any more videos, you can put some suggestions down there below and I will get on that. And yeah, all my social media links are also down below. Make sure to follow me and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!